Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you are all doing well and safe. Well, today I am gonna talk about Qantas CEO Alan Jogues' statement. So let's start our video. State Premier need to deliver on promise to reopen international border. Qantas CEO Alan Jogues said reopening Australia international border upon reaching on 80% vaccination rate is something State Premier need to deliver on, as they have committed to the general population. Mr. Jogues' comment come on Qantas launches an ambitious flight plan which aimed to have international travel resume by Christmas. Every premier has signed up to the national plan at national cabinet, and they have all agreed this is the way to go. If we don't up at the 80%, what are we looking for? Are we going to remain hermit nation forever? I don't think that would be fair to the population. On the other side, Western Australian Premier Mark McGowan has broken away from National Cabinet for phase reopening plan in a blow to Prime Minister Scott Morrison's attempt to reconnect the country by Christmas. Mark McGowan will not open Western Australia when Australia hit vaccination target. Now, Premier of Western Australia, Mark McGowan, disagree with Scott Morrison. The move come after heated exchange between leaders at yesterday's National Cabinet meeting. Mr. McGowan said he would not commit to opening up state border when the country reached 70% vaccination, so as not to risk the health of 1 million Western Australians who would not yet be vaccinated. Mr. McGowan also defended the lagging rate in Western Australia, which are lowest vaccination rate in the country, and said the state had agreed to send doses to New South Wales. Victorian Premier Daniel Andrews says Australian vaccination status will be important going forward, declaring citizens may not get a visa unless you have been double dosed. Now, Australian Victorian Premier Daniel Andrews gave a statement that they didn't give the visa to those who have not been vaccinated yet. Victorian Premier Daniel Andrews said returning Australia freedom and sense of normality will be based on high vaccine uptake. From all this bad news, we also have a positive and good news on reopening on international students. So today, Australian Indian Sports Educational and Cultural Society interacting with international students who are currently stranded in India. I addressed their concern and they said I addressed their concern and was pleased to connect with many student committees who are taking initiative toward bringing a safe return of students to Australia. So this is all that for today. Hope you guys like this video.